Here's the Panther model H1 hydro head washing out from under a pipeline. A 20-foot section was excavated in approximately 11 minutes. Notice how efficient the Panther Model H1 is at washing soil, rock, and caoutchouc away from the pipe. The excavation is accomplished while abiding by the damage prevention rules. In a matter of minutes, the pipe is left totally exposed. The Panther Model H1 will even remove hard layered caoutchouc by using 1800 psi pressure. Safety first. No one in the hydro zone. During this phase of excavation, one cable line and two poly lines were located during hydro excavation. The owners had not identified them and they were undetected. None of the lines were damaged. From the operator's view, you can see how quickly and easily the dirt plug is removed versus manual labor or a hydrovac unit. This has been a demonstration of the Panther Model H1 high pressure hydro excavation unit. Using the Panther hydro excavation unit greatly reduces the risk of pipe damage and personnel injury. An additional advantage is the reduction in time of excavation.